Hello guys, so we are in the city of Ikot Ekpene. This is Ikot Ekpene, Akwa Ibom State. So we are bringing this update to you so that you can see the latest development that is happening in Akwa Ibom State. For a while now, this road has been dilapidated without movement. Vehicle cannot pass from the other end to this other end because this bridge was broken. The bridge fell and people cannot pass. And this is how it was. How it was. The whole of this place was like this. People were unable to pass through this road. This is how it was, and it affected so many buildings. You can see that building it affected, and some other buildings that were here it affected. So people were unable to pass through this road. And there is a school up there, Goretti Girls Secondary School. So for a while now, students were frustrated because there is no way that they could pass from here, and it affected the school. And it's a very big, outstanding school, so it affected the school. So for a while now, this road has been like this. But now, thanks to the government and thanks to the governor for remembering, and it's a rural, he said that it's coming to government is to renovate, to touch the interior, the rural area. And we have seen here in Ikot Ekpene, this road has been like this for years. People were unable to pass, but you can see development has come to this road. This is Spring Road, Ikot Ekpene, and you can see the road construction. So we'll move to show you around.
If you ever had any business to do around Spring Road in Ikot Ekpene local government area before the Governor Umuahia's intervention, then sorry must have been your name. Today the story is different as vehicles and motorcycles have begun moving freely on the same road. Spring Road off Abak Road in Ikot Ekpene local government area was impassable even by the pedestrians, talk less of any sort of automobile. Students of Goretti Girls Secondary School, teachers and residents of the area were the worst hit. Due to the deplorable state of the road, academic activities were seriously hampered, especially during the rainy season, as an attempt to cross over to the Goretti Girls Secondary School after a heavy downpour was akin to committing suicide. Spring Road was absolutely in a very terrible condition for some decades, to the extent that it became a safe haven for criminals. Any armed robber that was able to make it to Spring Road during a hot chase by police officers were considered a loss for the policemen, as efforts to fish out such criminals often ended in futility. Economic activities in the area was at the lowest ebb. This was so as farmers who planted pumpkins, water leaves and other crops by the stream at the tail end of the street found it very difficult to get to their various farms. The deplorability of Spring Road was so intense such that if one was making its way to that very road, you may have to say your last prayers as you may not come out alive, most especially after rainfall. When news filtered in that Spring Road is one of the roads that the golden governor of Akwa Ibom State, Pastor Umuahia, is considering for construction in his first 100 days in office, people in local government area dismiss it as beer parlor talk due to the huge poor nature of the terrain. The people completely lose hope on the possibility of Spring Road receiving such prompt attention by the government of the day, and postulated that almighty Spring Road will remain a death trap permanently. It takes a very determined and compassionate governor such as Pastor Umuahia to consider awarding Spring Road for construction. Reason being that the funds allocated for the construction of the 1.1 kilometer Spring Road would be used in construction of 4 to 5 kilometers road elsewhere. Pastor Umuahia, the governor of Akwa Ibom State, is a man of great compassion, a friend of the poor and a downtrodden in the society. The 1.1 kilometer spring road construction with 0.875 kilometers outfall drain was awarded to U&K Limited, an indigenous construction firm with a glittering track record, who has proved its mettle in the industry with excellent delivery of several contracts awarded to the firm. The technical skills brought to the bear around the canal area, the most difficult part of the spring road, can better be imagined. The Chief Executive Officer of U&K Limited, Engineer Ukeme Peters, said that the spring road construction work is beyond 80% completion and will be completed soon. It is on record that Pastor Umuahia, the governor of Akwa Ibom State, has so far released over 100 billion naira for the construction of 77 critical roads within the state. 36 of such roads are awarded newly by this administration, while 41 others were taken over from the previous administration. Good governance exhibited by Governor Umuahia since his assumption of office have indeed endeared so many people to him across party lines, culminating in a massive defection of over 37,000 decampees to the ruling People's Democratic Party in Akwa Ibom State in recent times. The governor is not doing any magic. What we are witnessing is a result of adequate preparation. Pastor Umuahia came prepared to deliver the corresponding dividends of democracy to all Akwa Ibomites. Kudos to the governor and the construction firm U&K for the work well done.
So let's look at the company that is doing this construction. Let's see which company that is doing this construction. So this is U&K. They are the one handling this construction. I bet you these guys are doing a very good work here in this place. So we thank the government and we thank the governor, we thank the company handling this work, U&K, they are the ones doing this construction. Very beautiful. Another bridge here that people can pass, another bridge that can cross to the other end. And you can see the drainage is very massive, it's very big. This is beautiful, and mind you, this drainage is, I think, is the biggest drainage in Ikot Ekpene, because all the water from Ikot Ekpene from other axes in Ikot Ekpene is channeled to this road, and that is why the former bridge got broken, the former bridge collapsed, and now this is what the government has done. For a while now, this road people were unable to pass, but thanks to the government for doing this. Thank you very much. Please, I said let me bring this update to you so that you can see the latest development that is happening in Akwa Ibom State. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, please click on the subscribe and the notification button below, so anytime that we bring updates to you, you can be the first to see, so I can be notified. So if you haven't subscribed to this channel, click on the subscribe and notification button so that you'll be notified anytime that we drop our next video. Thank you. Please like, comment and share this video. Thank you very much.